Hey everyone, Hitesh here from ET's Personal Tech Team, and today we're taking a look at a brand new product from Amazon. It's called the Echo Link. This device is Amazon's attempt to tap into the audiophile market. I'll just explain what this does. So the Echo Link is a way to bring streaming music and other connected audio sources to an existing amplifier or powered speaker that you may already have. So the idea behind the link is that you get a high quality DAC or the digital audio converter built into this little device here, and that way you get a much higher quality of sound as compared to any typical Echo speaker. Now, since this has a high quality DAC, the best way is to use a digital cable connect for it. So you use either the coaxial or the optical, and this does have both of those connections available. Let's open this up and I'll show you what it looks like. So here's what you get in the box. This is just a very basic quick start guide that tells you more about the Echo Link, the various inputs, outputs, how to connect it and configure it using the Alexa app. Inside you also get this 21 watt power adapter. It's a proprietary plug. This is the Echo Link, fairly small, lightweight. Up front, nothing much that you can see except the volume knob. There are a few LEDs hidden here that does show you what the volume is, and this is a headphone jack, 3.5mm. Around the back, these are the various inputs, outputs. That's about it really, and this is designed to give you that better quality sound when you're using your own AV receiver or own powered speakers. Amazon also has whole other device which is called the Echo Link Amp. This one is if you have powered speakers, and the Echo Link Amp is if you want to connect passive speakers. So I have the Echo Link Amp as well right here. I've already gone ahead and unboxed it. Pretty much the same content inside the box, except that this is a lot larger. I'll put that side by side with the Echo Link to show you. So the difference between the Echo Link Amp and the Echo Link is just the built-in amplifier. Both of them have the same high quality DAC, the digital audio converter, the same kind of design aesthetic, just the headphone jack and a volume knob in front. Now the reason this one has so many vents is because it has a Class D digital amplifier, 60 watts into 2 channels, so you can connect your own passive speakers. In addition to all the other usual ports that the Echo Link has, this one has the connectors to connect a pair of speakers. It can use the banana plugs or you can use regular speaker cable. So that's our first look at the Echo Link and Echo Link Amp. The Echo Link is 19,999, so 20,000. The Echo Link Amp is 29,999, so 30,000 rupees for this unit. Now, just before I leave you, I'll just tell you that these are meant to be companion devices for an existing Echo speaker. What that means is that these actually don't have their own microphones on it anywhere. So the far field audio technology, you have to use a standard Echo. You could use even the cheapest Echo Dot, but you need to have an Echo speaker, and then you can control it via voice and then ask Alexa to control your audio coming out of the Echo Link. So if you have any further questions about the Echo Link or the Echo Link Amp, do reach out to us in the comment section. You can also reach out to me directly on Twitter. Thanks for watching.